So I wanted to do another video on quiet quitting. I did a little short and someone had a good conversation on YouTube. And she said this wasn't the best example to make people that are quiet quitting care how they are affecting others. Used a coupon to spark empathy and it fell flat. And in that video, I talked about how someone said, hey, it expires then, and so we didn't use it. And then we went and they said, hey, it's expired. So then we had to call corporate. It was just really frustrating. I wrote back. I said, I wasn't going for empathy. I find this stuff exhausting. And I'm going to use, and I wrote about the example I'm going to share with you shortly. And she said, perhaps empathy isn't the best word, but that in that case, empathy wasn't the main goal. And I feel like I'm not fully grasping the core reason behind why do we care. I say this genuine desire to understand and reflect on the situation more deeply. Now, I love this. Someone asking questions. We did this in the world, we'd be in much better shape. And so I wrote, and then I'm going to share my examples. I said, I would hope you or folks would care that your actions affect others, and how when someone doesn't care and just phones it in, it's not about them. And so I'm going to talk now about the two examples. So my dad is 80, had to take my 15-year-old niece to get her written permit at DMV. In my town, we used to have a DMV, but they consolidated, so about a half an hour away. He ended up making 4 trips to the DMV. Okay, so this is 4 hours just of driving. And every time he'd go back, they say you need this or that. I'm talking about my 80-year-old father, okay? It's not okay to put him through that because someone didn't give a crap. They're causing my dad, let's talk about gas, causing his time, because that's just the 4 hours of driving. That doesn't count the time for waiting in line at the DMV, and they've shrunk, so it's going to be a longer line than if you had more DMVs to go to. So his time, his energy, his gas, putting mileage on his car, that's hopefully a better example about quiet quitting. I'll share another example. So, and I said to her in the response, I said, oh, I thought of you yesterday and this happened. So we had great sale at Lowe's, 50% off blinds, and Jack Henry decided to cut some blinds there. Yep. So we had to buy, and I was like, we might as well replace these other ones because he can just easily do that. So we ordered 7 new blinds. They had to be custom. I think maybe the 3 in the bedroom are more standard, but our house is from 50, 52, so different sizes. Anyway, so Tony puts it up and he's like, the biggest one, of course. He said, this isn't what we ordered. So to Lowe's credit, I called and she said, come on down. She said, you can return them. And we ended up getting the top of the line in this particular brand. We wanted a little button. We didn't want the little anymore. But so that, she said, you would have paid $1,900 instead of the $640 that you paid. Well, so someone cost the company $1,300. We were there. Tony had measured everything correctly. We point out, we said, this is the one we want. Went through all the color examples. But, if you don't give a crap, okay, look, life happens, right? I understand mistakes are made. But here it is. We're showing you weren't paying careful attention, really didn't care. And Tony had taken the day off. He never gets upset. That's why we're good balance for each other, because I'm the crazy one. But took all this time off and then had to deal with it. He'd wanted to go do something on his day off and couldn't because we were going to go out to dinner. I said, after having to deal with this, getting everything in the car, going down to Lowe's, it was raining. We're like just exhausted. This is, a couple hours out of our day that we didn't plan. So hopefully this is two better examples for you to understand if you are quiet quitting, how you are affecting others, how you are causing frustration, or with my dad, wasting time, wasting money, putting mileage on his car because you couldn't say in one fell swoop, this is what was needed, right? And am I getting frustrated? Absolutely. And thinking of, gosh, dealing with all the blinds. So quiet quitting isn't all about you. It affects other people. Let me know your thoughts below.